Good morning, everyone. So, let us study projectile motion on inclined plane. So, in case of inclined plane, we are going to discuss projectile motion under two cases. Case number 1, projectile of particle upon the plane, up the plane. Case number 2, projectile of particle down the plane. Now, say we have an inclined plane of inclination theta with horizontal. Suppose a particle is thrown in upward direction other than vertical with some velocity. So the angle between the velocity and the horizontal plane is the angle of projection velocity with plane. Okay, and here angle theta is the angle of inclined plane with the horizontal. Okay, so after throwing this particle up in upward direction, the particle will goes upward and land on this inclined plane somewhere here at point B. So along the inclination, we consider x-axis, and perpendicular to that we consider y-axis. Here the gravitational force will act downward. For this plane, the gravitational force is inclined. So here there are two components of gravitational force, along x direction and along y direction. So along x direction, the acceleration due to gravity is g sine theta, and along the y direction it is g cos theta. Okay, so here we are considering this is your positive x direction and this is your positive y direction. So here this acceleration will become negative. Again here this acceleration becomes negative. Yes. Now to understand or to solve the problem related to inclined plane, we should know some terms. Like first, it is time of flight. So we have already discussed in earlier video that what is time of flight. Okay, so for inclined plane, the formula to calculate time of flight is 2u sine alpha by g cos theta. Next, here now in inclined plane, this is your range. This is your range, the distance between the point of projection and the point of landing. So this is your range, distance between A point and between B point. So to calculate range for inclined plane, formula is 2u square sine alpha by g cos square theta, cos in bracket alpha plus theta. Okay, now here the value of alpha remains constant, but the value of theta get changed according to the plane, according to the projection. So here we'll consider some sign conventions for theta. Okay, so consider case number 1. When the projectile is projected upon the plane theta, when the projectile is projected upon the plane, up the plane, okay, when the projectile is projected up the plane, the value of theta is considered as positive. So suppose this is your inclined plane, this is your horizontal plane, and this is your point of projection, and this is your point of landing. So the point of landing is above the point of projection. So here the value of theta becomes positive. Okay, now coming to case number 2, when the projectile is projected down the plane, the value of theta is considered as negative. So here you can see in this figure, this is your point of projection and this is your point of landing. So when the point of landing is below point of projection, the value of theta will take negative. Now let us solve some numericals. Before that, there are some more terms that we have to know. So value of R max is equals to, formula to calculate R max is u square by g in bracket 1 plus sine theta. And to find out maximum height, here the formula is u square sine square alpha by 2g cos theta.